What's up, my skibbity sigmas? Today I'm in the lab version showing you guys the new lab testing. It's really cool. As you can see, it's Christmas from like a Christmas atmosphere. Can't f***ing talk. I'm sorry, man, my bad. As you can see here, it's like a Christmassy atmosphere. There's Christmas decorations. It's feeling like really holly and jolly, like chestnuts roasting on a yacht. Anyways, we got new gadgets, and we're probably getting more, to be honest. But we got the car, hand controller, which is better than this. The grab controller, you actually have to, grab it. I have drift on this controller, so this is the basic car. It's 12,000. Pretty sure this is 100. Not 12,000. 1,200. 1,200. I don't know how much this is. I low-key forgot. Yeah. So how to drive? You want to press the grip button, and to steer, use your stick. You can jump with A, and you can honk with B, and you steer with your stick, of course. I just said that. Same thing for the Sigma. Same thing for the ones you like lock on your hands. These are better. I'm pretty sure these are 800. So if you buy this and this together, it's 2,000, and they also have fancy ones, which are basically like skins, but instead of doing actually and nothing special, they have a little crevice right here where you could put stuff like the YEEPS plushie and other stuff like this, and you press the beep, the honk button to deploy it. It's pretty cool. If we would shut up. Okay, I'm gonna go into a public. What? I'm going to a wilds. Oh no. Oh my God. New map, wishlist workshop.
Wait, did you get car up?
Wishlist workshop. It's Super Sigma.
I got drive.
You just watch it. I'm being fed that ass. That us.
I don't think I can go on reverse, guys. Why does it jump?
So here we are in Wishlist Workshop, where you buy the cars. This is 800. That's
Oh my gosh, it's a little
1,200.
car. It's a little car.
I forgot. How much is this? I low-key forgot. I have it. Oh yeah, it's up. So this is 100, this is 800, and this is 1,200.